The electric vehicle tidal wave is coming. There's going to be millions of cars that are going to need to be electrified, and we want to be that provider.
AmpedUp is a business that is going to provide charging station infrastructure. That could be from apartment complexes to homes to small businesses.
You can connect to the internet, connect to our back end, and manage all these ports so that what was a cost center for a lot of folks to have these chargers available now become a profit center. In order for us to ramp up a team internally, it wasn't very viable from a cost perspective. With RSI, we were able to assemble a team within a month and really kick off the project and start.
RSI is different than other resource contractor companies. I've worked with many engineers overseas, and the time is a problem. The language is a problem. We work together on these projects mostly through video conferencing, which is fantastic. They're available 24/7 because it's not just about creating a product and leaving. It's about the support afterwards, and RSI, we know that the support's going to be there. I just don't think you can get that somewhere else.
Their folks are as engaged as we are to see that this is successful. And what more can you ask from a partner?